Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. I'll be helping you learn how to log into Centennial Bank account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Centennial Bank account, go to your web browser first. As soon as it opens, in the URL box, type in www.mycentennial.bank and enter. You'll need to go through a verification. To prove that you are not a robot, click on I'm a human box and complete the task, and soon you'll be taken to a next page. This is the official website of Centennial Bank. Now, in order to log in, click on the login button at the upper right corner, and there will be a pop-up where you can enter your information to log into your account. Now, in order to log into your personal account, enter the credentials under your personal account option, enter your username correctly, and enter your password for your account. After you're done entering your password correct, click on the login button in order to log into your account. In case you forgot the password, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password to a new one. If you're not signed up yet to Centennial Bank, then you can click on this enrollment form and register yourself first. Similarly, to log into your business account, click on this business option and enter your username. On the next field, enter your password for your account and click on the login link. That is how you can log into your Centennial Bank account easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.